Hi, today I'm going to tell you how to keep your skin healthy in summer. We talk a lot about face skin and we have these really elaborate facial skincare routine, but we do not talk about the body. So today my focus is going to be on body skincare. So let's get started. First, use a gentle body wash while taking a bath. If you have very dry skin, you do not need to use soap or a body wash every day. You can use soap only in your underarms area and in your groin. Rest of the body you can just wash with plain water and use a soap maybe once in a week. Few recommendations for body washes are the Body Shop body wash. You can use this Bioderma Atoderm Moussant body wash. This Bioderma Atoderm Moussant works very well on very dry skin. It is made for skin which is atopic, which has atopic dermatitis and is very dry and irritated. So it really soothes the skin and does not strip the skin of its oils. So I highly recommend this, especially for kids who have very dry skin and are suffering from atopic dermatitis or eczema. This works really well. If you have bad body odor, then you want to use the benzoyl peroxide soap on your underarms. Okay, so you can use this benzoyl peroxide soap, lather it into your underarms, leave it on for about 2 to 4 minutes and then wash it off. This soap works very well if you have acne on the chest, back and buttock area. Even in these areas, you can lather the soap, leave it on for about 2 to 4 minutes and wash it off. This will help in controlling your body odor. Then we move on to a moisturizer. Using a moisturizer on the body is very important. If you have very dry, irritated skin, then you can use this moisturizer by Bioderma, which is the Bioderma Atoderm Baume or Bioderma Atoderm Creme Moisturizer. These work very well in soothing dry skin. Otherwise, if you have normal skin, you can use coconut oil. Coconut oil works really well. Few of my recommendations for coconut oil are Max Care Virgin Cold Pressed Coconut Oil and Force Essential Cold Pressed Coconut Oil. These work very well in moisturizing your skin. Just use a few drops and apply it on your whole body, and this will help in keeping your skin moisturized and hydrated for a long time. How to take care of body folds? There is a lot of sweating in summertime. Sweating is very common, and due to excess sweating, we face skin problems such as itching and rashes. Taking regular bath gives you temporary relief, but these problems come back once you start sweating again. The reason for this itching and rashes is fungal infection. You have to make sure that you take good care of your body folds so that you prevent the occurrence of fungal infection. Fungal infection presents as itching and rashes, mostly in the groin area, in between your thighs, in the underarms, in the area where you wear your belt, or even where the bra touches the skin. So these are the areas in which you see fungal infection the most. This Abzorb Dusting Powder, which contains talc and starch along with an antifungal cotrimazole, works really well in reducing the chances of fungal infection. Talc and starch in this powder absorbs sweat, so reduces the chances of sweat logging and keeps your body folds dry. This reduces the chances of getting fungal infection. Also, the clotrimazole present in this powder is an antifungal that helps in killing the fungi and reduces the overgrowth of fungus in these areas. So after you take a bath, you want to wipe yourself properly, make these body folds dry, and then use this dusting powder. It has to be used twice a day, once in the morning after bath and once before you go off to sleep. If you have a history of developing fungal infections, make sure that you wear loose cotton clothing during summer, wipe yourself properly as soon as you come back home so that you do not let this sweat logging for a long time. If you are somebody who works out, as soon as you come back home, you want to change into fresh clothes. Don't walk around in sweaty clothing for a long time. This also increases the chances of fungal infection. So after you take a bath, you will dry this folds and then apply this dusting powder. This will really reduce your chances of getting fungal infection. So in summertime, using Abzorb Dusting Powder twice in a day can really help in controlling the fungal overgrowth and also reducing the chances of recurrence of fungal infection. Then we need to take care of heels. Heels always deserve special attention because in summertime we are wearing open footwear and also the heels are exposed to dust. So this tends to lead to a lot of cracking of your heels. So you want to use a good moisturizer. Look for ingredients such as urea and lactic acid in your moisturizer. This helps in reducing the dead skin buildup, softens the skin of your heels, reduces fissures, and gives you nice smooth heels. So few of my recommendations are Zerina cream and Zero Clear cream. Taking care of hands and feet are very important. If you don't have very dry hands and feet, you can just use the same moisturizer as used on the body. You can use coconut oil on your hands and feet as well. But if you have dry hands and feet which crack very easily, or you have eczema or dry spots on your hands, then you want to use a moisturizer that contains urea and lactic acid on the hands as well. So you can use the Zerina or Zero Clear on your hands and feet as well, or else you can also use a Bioderma Atoderm moisturizer on your hands and feet. This will help in moisturizing your skin for a long time and preventing dryness and flaking. Apart from Bioderma Atoderm, I also really like using Venusia Max lotion on the body. So if you are somebody who's struggling with dry skin, Venusia Max can also work really well. So there you go, a short guide on taking good care of your body skin. Remember that you need to take good care of your body skin as well in order to reduce the dryness, flaking, itching, irritation that can occur, and also slow the process of aging. We know that we take very good care of our skin on the face, but then our hands tend to give out our age. So take good care of your hands and feet as well. I hope you found this video useful. If you like such skin and hair related content, you can follow me on my Instagram handle, Dr. Aanchal MD. I post such skin and hair related content daily. Thank you for watching.